We're under a severe thunderstorm watch. I'm watching a severe thunderstorm rolling in. I'm not even sure that the camera is going to do this justice, but wow. Just wow. I'm not going to go too far, but it is coming in. I'm coming in fast. So this is over to the west.
It's getting windy.
That big cloud is to the north. Huh. I shall say. Oh look, and it's sunny over there. Anyway.
It's actually cold now. I'm getting chilly standing here, and earlier today, maybe an hour ago, we were sweating because it was so hot. Now it's actually gotten chilly.
Yeah.
That's kind of weird.
We'll see if this comes to anything. Hopefully we will keep power. Right, we're going inside before this electricity starts.